Hi guys, this is my bike check of my 2012 Commencal Supreme V3. So I've got a Commencal 1 stem and bars with Dmr Deathgrips, as most people do. Then for brakes I'm running XTs with 203 discs. Box of forks, I think they're World Cups. Then I've got a mudugger, very good. Then for wheels I have DH Superstar wheels. My frame is a size small because I'm a midget. Then for shock I have a RockShox Kage RC 2017. What have I got next?
Drivetrain.
Drivetrain, okay. I've got a Saint chainring. What tooth is it? 36 tooth. Then I've got a Shimano chain guide device thing. It's pretty cool. That thing moves up, say if you hit a rock or something. And gravity gap cranks, I think they're FSA, something like whatever that is. Mallet E's, blue stees. Back here I've got a Shimano Z derailleur. 203 on the rear as well. We've got Superstar DH wheels in the back as well with a Hope Throw 2 hub. Sounds very good. We've got Maxxis Minion DHR2s. I've got my Commencal SDG seat, which is a bit bent and ripped. I won't go into that. Tie at the front. At the front I've got a high roller too. Yeah, I think that's it. I've got my Go Faster Skittles and Milky Way stars. Yeah, something like that. Stickers. 10 seconds faster. Yeah. I think that's it. Yeah, a better description of my spec is in the description anyway, so check that. Yeet. I don't know how to start it.
You've started it now, so.
Hi. Up here. So I've got, I don't even know what they are. Commencal 1 bars. This is my sister. Hello? What?
Hi.
What?
There's no chicken, so I...
What brakes?
XTs.
I wasn't listening.
Yeah. That bit's cool. Got a stupid phone. Jack Crow again.
I know that you like it like that. I wear designer, check the name on the tag. White fox fur on my jacket. Excuse me, that's a